I live in a flat near the town centre. It's on the ground floor and has 4 rooms: an entrance hall, a bedroom, a bathroom, and an open-plan kitchen and living room. The flat was already furnished when I moved in 2 years ago. In the bedroom, I have a double bed with 4 pillows, a duvet, and a blanket. Next to the bed, there's a bookcase on one side and a bedside table and lamp on the other. I like to read in bed before I go to sleep, so I have everything I need. I have an open-plan kitchen and living room, which means I have one big space where I cook, watch TV, and relax. The bedroom and hall have soft grey carpets, but the kitchen area and living room have wooden floors. In the middle of the living room, there's a sofa bed with some cushions on it. When I have guests to stay, this is where they sleep. In front of the sofa bed, there's a small coffee table. There are usually some coasters and magazines on the coffee table, and a remote control for the TV. The room gets a lot of natural light because it has 2 large windows. In the kitchen area, there are lots of cupboards to store pots, pans, and cooking utensils. I have a cooker and also a microwave, but I rarely use it. To the left of the cooker, there's a sink. It's full of dirty plates at the moment. Under the sink, there are 2 bins, one for general waste and one for recycling. My kitchen isn't big, but there's enough space to cook a good meal.